What's up, YouTube? Hey, my shoulder's going crazy today. It's raining. The trucker's coach and the information about factoring is 100% true. The information that he's giving drivers, owner-operators, is some of the strongest information available out here on the internet. And some of these drivers who have been driving for a while, that have success with other companies, are trying to teach other drivers success to be successful different ways. But what the coach is teaching you is 100% the truth. As an owner-operator, everything he's telling you is the truth. I learned what I had learned through being an owner-operator. I learned the hard way. Factoring recourse, where they were back charging me and things, and everything he's telling you is the truth. And I wish I would have had a coach when I became an owner-operator. It would have made success a lot less painful, because there was a lot of things I learned, and it was the hard way, and I didn't understand why. There was just no information, and nobody would help you. So if you want to be a successful owner-operator, see what the coach is cooking, because he's dead on it. Later, this is Buttermilk. Everybody stay safe.